Okay, welcome to SmartGo. This tutorial is going to focus on the customer and the customer information. To get to the customers, we go over here to the Home tab, the drop down, and click on Customers. Now you can see we have no customers in here, but let's just start by searching for Joe Smith. We can hit Enter, or we can click on the little magnifying glass to search. So you can see there's no records found for Joe Smith. So we're going to add Joe. Click on New Customer and Joe Smith. Now we can categorize our customers. Click on this. You can see there's no records in there yet. So we can add a customer type. Let's just call Joe a consumer. Click OK to save that. So Joe Smith is now a consumer. You can go ahead and put Joe's address in here. And Providence if you want to use it. And here's the pricing matrix. Now if we want to assign a pricing matrix to this customer, we click on that. And in our earlier tutorials, we set up two different pricing matrices. We can select one for this customer, but we're going to hold off and we're going to apply it. Well, we'll go ahead and give him the first pricing matrix for the customer. If we want to make a note about the customer, he's a great customer. Save him. Now we're going to go up here. We're going to click on him to highlight him. Now you also have an option of adding an. Let me open that back up. If you want to edit the customer, let me open that back up. If you want to put in another first and last name, if he has a wife or that has a different last name, you can add that in here as well. Now there we see Joe Smith. We highlight him. Now that we've selected Joe Smith, we have some tabs down here with more information about Joe. Joe currently has no vehicles. He has no phone numbers. He has no email addresses. He's made no transactions, payments. He has no invoices. And he has no current appointment. Let's go back here and start by adding Joe a vehicle. So we can add Joe a vehicle here. We'll put his tag number as Joe. And see if I have a VIN number. There's a VIN number. Copy and paste that into here. The system will automatically decode the VIN. You can make a note about how great his car is. And we can save that. So now Joe has a vehicle. We can go to the phone information, new phone, phone type. Let's say we want to add a category of his cell phone. Click OK to save that. So we got Joe's cell phone number. And we can make a note about that. And we can save that. So now Joe has a vehicle. We have a phone number for him. Let's add an email address for Joe. Save that. And that concludes the customer page and the customer information.